Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Ascent. Now this is where they're going to be building the Ascent. The buildings on the right and that blue building straight ahead need to be demolished, and they will form a part of the land that the Ascent is going to be built on. Now the Ascent is a very ambitious project to build a 27-floor building in New Kingston. At the time they had started the process of getting approvals, etc., the Ascent would have been the tallest building in Jamaica. This area is also going to be a part of the construction. And there you can see that's the NCB Towers, and then this is also going to be a part of the construction. Yeah, so it would have been the tallest building in Jamaica at the time. However, as you can see, the project seems to be on hold as nothing has been done on the project in a while. That is One Belmont that you just saw in the background. Very nice 9-story building. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. Why don't they sell this project to investors who are interested? Why just put the project on hold? Now, the land has been purchased to build the Ascent on. The approvals have been granted. They got approvals to build a 27-floor building. But nothing else has started. There were some buildings on this property. On one of these properties, one was a parking lot, another one had a structure. And they demolished everything. You can see they started to clear out the blue building. So I'm not sure. Guys, what do you think? Do you think they should sell this project or bring in investors, new investors? I'm not sure, but this project definitely would be a game changer for Jamaica. No, One Belmont is 9 floors. It's fully booked out. It was booked out before construction even finished. The NCB Towers, that's the building we're showing you at the beginning. I am assuming it's booked out. I'm not sure if it's fully booked out. But a lot of long-term tenants are in that building. So it's not a case where you're not sure if people will rent the space. The space will definitely be rented. So it's just, I don't know. I can't figure out why they haven't started yet. Guys, let us know what you think. And it's going to be a mixed-use development. It's going to be... The Ascent is designed to accommodate a mix of luxury residential units, premium commercial spaces, and a 5-star hotel. Amenities are expected to include a rooftop bar and lounge, a 40-foot lap pool, a state-of-the-art fitness center, indoor gardens, sports courts, a children's play area, and a yoga studio. The building's design draws inspiration from Jamaica's moniker, the land of wood and water, aiming to encapsulate the island's natural beauty with its architecture. So I'm sure if this building was built, the space would be rented quite easily because a lot of space is needed. And then there's going to be a hotel, so definitely that hotel would do extremely well because New Kingston has a few hotels and sometimes they're fully booked out. You can't get any space. So I really hope they get this project going, or just sell it to another developer. I'm sure there are many developers in Jamaica that would take over this project. And there are actually some hotel chains that might be interested in taking over the whole building. There is no beach around it, but it's also possible. So maybe they should just sell out the project to somebody who can get it finished. Because Jamaica would definitely benefit from this building. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.